Let's face it, getting a degree is no longer a guarantee of a successful career. You spend 3 to 4 years investing your money into studying and end up in the same job queue as others with your resume in your hand. And let me tell you, there's nothing unique about that path anymore. Because today we have something incredibly powerful at our fingertips, unlimited access to internet and awareness to actually how to use it. You don't need to wait for a job offer. You can build your own income stream from your laptop, from your home. In this video, I'll tell you about 7 side hustles that you can start even while in college or alongside your full-time job. No office, no boss, no big investment that you require. Just skill, strategy, and consistent action. For every side hustles, I'll break down how to get started, mistakes to avoid, and ways to grow it into real income. Stick around till the end because the last one is blowing up in 2026 and will stay hot for years. Alright, so number one, faceless short form content creation. You don't need to be on camera to go viral, whether it's short, reels, or TikToks. Faceless content is blowing up right now. You can create viral social media content using stock footages, voiceovers, captions, and smart storytelling. And if you learn how to use AI video tools like Nano Banana or Veo, you can produce content even faster. Start by picking a simple high demand niche that speaks to a broad audience, something people constantly search about and share. Just target one niche you actually understand and care about. Research the top 5 pages in that niche, study their hooks, formats, and their caption styles, and then learn to write killer 3-second hooks that grab attention immediately. And you can use free tools like CapCut, VN, or Canva and edit fast and clean. Here's a quick heads up for you. Don't fall into the trap of copying garbage and cringe and clickbait content. That kills trust and you might get a few like viral pieces out of it. But let me tell you, it won't help you build an anonymous personal brand focused on value and storytelling. And make sure to be consistent. Post at least thrice a week. And in 60 to 90 days, either your account will grow or someone hires you to make content for them. Both are the wins for you. Number two, AI freelancing. ChatGPT isn't just a tool for fun. It can become your full-time income engine. You can write LinkedIn content, website copy, email templates, resume, and whatnot. Here's how you'll start it. Again, pick just one service, for example, email marketing for creators, right? Create 2-3 polished samples in Canva or Notion, and then send 10 thoughtful cold DMs daily on LinkedIn. And in those DMs, make sure you are very clear and precise. Don't try to be spammy, right? Here's a pro tip for you. You can create prompt templates for repetitive tasks that you are doing on a daily basis. Use ChatGPT to become more efficient and Canva or Figma to create better designs, and you'll look professional even as a beginner. Number three, Discord community building and management. Now, Discord is not just for gamers anymore. Creators, coaches, and even startups are using it as a private communities. But most of them don't know how to set it up. Roles, boards, automation, it gets messy fast. Now, this creates a clear gap for you and an opportunity for you to step in. Learn how it works, then offer to set up and manage these communities for them, and you're good to go. Now, you're wondering how to start, right? Build a demo server with all the essentials, welcome message, rules, roles, and bots. Reach out to small creators, offer a free revamp in exchange of testimonials, right? And once you have a few testimonials, you can start charging $100 to $200 for full setups. And as you grow, you can turn this into a small agency. Number four, online coaching. Teach what you know. You don't need to be a top expert to teach something. You just need to be one step ahead of the person that you are helping. Whether it is Excel, Canva, basic video editing, digital marketing, funnel creation, if you can explain it well, you can teach it. Now to start, draft a basic course structure, beginner, intermediate, and advanced, right? Offer a free webinar or a trial session. And then once you are in the trial session or while offering the free webinar, you can pitch in your paid offer for a group coaching at $10 per month or one-on-one $50 per month session. You can use tools like Zoom Meet and WhatsApp groups, but make sure don't give away everything for free. Keep your premium content behind a paywall and structure your offer clearly so people know exactly what they are getting. And for payments, you can set up tools like Stripe, Razorpay to handle payments smoothly and professionally. Now, number five, AI animation and explainer videos. AI tools like Pika, Runway, Kyber or Kyber, I don't actually know how to pronounce it, are making animation faster, easier, and more accessible than ever before, even if you have never edited a video before. Now, if you are wondering who actually need this, so let me tell you, content creators want animated reels all the time. Brand need cleans and punchy explainer and promo video for their brands, and coaches might be looking for animated course intros that grab attention. And yes, they will pay for it quickly if your work is sharp, clear, and deliver result. Because quality always sells. Now to start, learn and create 2-3 strong demo videos, join Telegram groups and Reddit subs for tools update, and you can set up Fiverr and Upwork and other freelancing profiles with your samples, right? And finally, when you reach out to your clients, keep it simple and bold. Something like, want to make your reels 10 times more engaging with animation? I have created a free sample for you. Take a look. And then you can give a link of your sample there. Even one paying client can lead to referrals. And this service goes from $50 to 200 plus per project depending on your skills, and there is no upper limit to the amount of money that you can earn via this. Number 6, product flipping and reselling. Yes, flipping is still a smart move, and honestly, it's one of the easiest way to build real business instinct early on in your life. So here's how to get started. Look for undervalued products on sites like Facebook Marketplace, OLX, and local thrift stores. Buy those things, clean them, and take crisp photos and write honest, easy to understand descriptions. And then start reselling them through Instagram, eBay, or even WhatsApp and local Facebook groups. Now, here's a bonus tip for you. While you're doing this, film the process and turn it into short form content. Flipping journeys often go viral, especially when you show before and after. And with before and after, you can also tell about the profit margin. Just start small, pick up books, shoes, and tech gadgets, and keep the budget to be around $30 to $50. And let me tell you, the goal is to be realistic here. Make around $300 to $400 profit within your first 60 days. And if you want faster sales, try bundling. For example, 3 cookbooks for $20. Mention it as limited time deal. Make sure your offers are very simple and just introduce urgency, and then you'll have quick conversions. Now, the last but not the least, writing for creators and brands. If you're good with your words, this path has serious long-term earning potential. Every creator and brand needs writer who can capture their voice and simplify their message, right? Think about it. Content is constant. Writing fuels it all, and business needs Instagram captions that convert, and newsletters that people actually read, and LinkedIn posts that build credibility and authority, sales copy that drives actions. And here's how to get started. Pick one format to specialize in. For example, newsletter writing, LinkedIn post, Instagram post, or maybe scripting as well. Write 2 to 3 samples based on real brands just for demo purposes. Reach out with a smart pitch and make sure in this pitch you showcase your writing skills. Something like, hey, I saw one of your posts, rewrote it slightly to improve clarity and engagement. Let me know what you think. Happy to collaborate if you are open to it. And make sure you share your samples in Google Docs with clean formatting because it makes a big difference. Now, start small. Even with 2-3 monthly retainer clients, you can make at least $400 to $800 per month. And once you build a portfolio, learn basic copywriting, hooks, and storytelling. Your rates can grow fast with learning all this. Now, here's the thing, everyone wants to earn more, but a side hustle gives you something deeper. It builds your confidence, sharpens your skills, gives you control over your time and direction. I would say that's worth more than just a paycheck. Choose just one idea, give it 30 days, no excuse, no breaks, and see what you learn, who you meet, and what you build. And if that clicks, double down on it. And if not, switch. But at least get started. If this gave you any clarity, hit follow for more real strategies like this and share it with someone who's still stuck in thinking phase. Let's help more people to move from planning to actually building.